Halo, Ray. Kumusta? Nakakadya sa radyo, no?
Hindi na maintindihan. Pinagulog ka no? Kahit English.
Na, you are now in the radio station of Kwan,
Iraq?
Iraq.
Kuwait? Ano sa Kuwait? Riyadh? Oo, sa to.
I am your father. Working in Bagakay, Bohol. Now I meet my son, Mr.
Wait.
Buyit Salas, bringing a laptop. He let me talk in his radio.
Hello Ray, kumusta? I'm very happy because your brother boy is here with us in our residence in Poblacion Pilar. With your father also with us. Last year is a New Year's celebration, so I'm very happy. And yesterday we were with boy at the farm of your father in Bagakay. So we miss you. I hope that by next year or anytime we have time to visit here in Bohol with your wife. I hope that will come.